friends, in the present scenario, learning of the modern technology has become mandatory for the virtual teaching or conferences. Let us watch and learn this video, which is explained in very easy way to teach through Google Meet and Google Classroom. First of all, we download the apps from Play Store, Google Classroom, Google Meet and Google Calendar. Next, for eventing the meeting in Google Calendar, open Calendar, click Event tab, add the title, write meeting topic, set timing and duration, add people, guest with their email ID. Save the event. Next, for sharing of meeting ID, after saving the event meet ID appears on screen, share the Google Meet ID for the joining the meeting. After sharing, many icons will appear like WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. Share this link on WhatsApp or which icon you like. Next, for opening of Google Meet, on the due time and date, click the ID link and join the meeting. Enter the Google Meet, join the meeting. The host will admit the participants on their request. After joining the meeting, on the top, 3 dots appears. Click on them. Share the screen for presentation. Click and start presentation. Mute the Meet screen and enter the Google Classroom. Next, for material and lesson search, choose your teaching material from Google Drive which you have already saved in the drive. Start teaching. For attendance, how to take attendance? After entering the classroom, click on classwork, click on plus, choose and fill question. Are you present? Write topic, attendance and due date. Save and send. Thank you. I hope this is very easy way to learn. Thank you very much.